Okay, fine. Now, yesterday we have seen what actually OWD is. Okay, what actually OWD is. OWD provide us a baseline level of access. Okay, OWD will be on object. OWD will be on object. Fine. So yesterday we have also seen what are the options provided in OWD, that is private, public read only, public read write transfer, full access, view only, no access, use, control by parent. Okay. We have also seen for which object which options are available and for which object which options are not available. Okay, so these three are common to all object. Okay, public read write and transfer is present for lead case. Okay, these options are provided for all except one object, that is price book object. Okay, view only, no access and use is available for price book. Okay, control by parent, I have already told you, it is for master detail relationship. Okay, and how to configure the OWD, so it is the navigation type. So हमको we need to go to security controls, click on the sharing setting, and we need to go to our organization void default. Okay, click on edit and we need to set our OWDs. Okay, now let's go to setup, security control, sharing setting. Okay, and this is our organization wide default. If we edit this, we can see the options are present. We can see the options are present. Okay, so private, public read only, public read write, and public read write transfer. Public read write transfer is present for what? Lead. Okay, so now we'll see what actually these options are. Okay, and how it will works. Okay, and how it will work. So इसको हम लोग cancel करते हैं. Now we'll go to our private. Okay, now when we will set, okay, when we will set our OWD, okay, when we will set our OWD as private, okay, when we will set our OWD as private, then what will happen? Then the records in the object, will be visible to only record owners. So the user who is creating the record only can visible the record, and his manager, or you can say the upper level. Okay, and the upper level in role hierarchy. Upper level in what? Role hierarchy. Now the owner of the record means the user who has created the record will have full control. Will have what? Full control on the record. उसको क्या होगा? फुल कंट्रोल होगा रिकॉर्ड पे. मीन्स फुल कंट्रोल मीन्स व्हाट? ही कैन विप द रिकॉर्ड, he can edit the record, he can delete the record. Okay, he can delete the record. And same with his manager also. And same with his manager also. Okay, now once OWD is set to private, then if you are the user and you have created the record, then that record is visible to you and your manager. But the user, the other users in the organization will not be able to see or access the record. Okay, will not be able to see or will not be able to access that record. Okay, so itna part likh lete hain so you will understand properly. Okay, so when the object OWD is set to private, what? Set to private. Okay, then records in the object will be visible to record owner. Record owner means what? The user who has created that record. Okay, the user who has created the record, and his manager, and whom, and his manager. Okay, and his manager. Manager, or you can say the superior in the role, or you can say the superior in the role. Okay, superior in the role. Now this was my first point, हमेशा ये याद रखना. Okay, now the record owner, what the record owner will have a full access. Okay, full access on the record means what? He can view, edit, delete, and one more is there, that is share. And one more is what? That is share, and it is very important. We'll see. Okay, view, edit, delete, and share. Okay, now the third point. Other users in the org will not able to access the record. Okay, access the record. Access the record. So these 3 points are very much important. Now, okay, now when, now when object, any object, okay, any object, whether it may be a standard, whether it may be a custom object, when the object's OWD is set to private, okay, then Salesforce enables a button. Okay, Salesforce enable a button, and the name of that button is sharing button. And the name of that button is what? Sharing button. Okay, on each record detail पेज, और हर एक रिकॉर्ड के डिटेल पेज पे दैट बटन विल गोइंग टू अनेबल if the object OWD is private. It is a common question in interview when you will get the sharing button on your detail page of the record. It is a common question. Okay, so you must answer whenever the object OWD is set to private, then only you will get the sharing button. सिर्फ प्राइवेट सेट होने पे ही शेयरिंग बटन अनेबल होता है, अदर देन इट इज नॉट अनेबल, अदर else it is not enable. Okay, if object OWD is private then sharing button will enable. Okay, इसको हमेशा याद रखना, और ये इंटरव्यू क्वेश्चन में आता ही आता है, पूछते ही पूछते हैं. ओके, आई आस्क टू एवरीवन, when the objects, okay, OWD is set to private. Okay, when objects OWD is set to private, then Salesforce enable, okay, a button. Salesforce enable a sharing button. Okay, sharing button on each records detail page, on each records detail page. Okay, now what is the use of this sharing button? Now what is the use of this sharing button? So name itself define to share. So name itself define to share means you can share the record with some other user. You can share the record with some other users. Okay, you can share the record with some other users. Okay, we'll take an example. Suppose, okay, suppose Okay, suppose this is one person. Okay, suppose this is one person. Okay, and this is a second person, and they are working together, and they are working together. Okay, for a company. Okay, working together for a company. Now he will create some record. Okay, he will create some record like record A. Okay, he will create some kind of record A, B, C. Okay, D. Okay, so he has created some record now, and the records are private to him. Okay, now records are private to him because the OWD is set to OWD is set to private. Okay, the OWD is set to private. Now what happens, he want to take leaves. Okay, he want to take leave. Suppose he is working in any finance domain. Okay, suppose he is working in a finance domain or banking domain or healthcare domain. Okay, so these projects are like day to day transaction projects. Okay, these projects are like day to day transaction project because it runs 24 into 7. Okay, because it runs 24 into 7. Now he wants to go on a leave. अभी इसको क्या है, he wants to go on leave. Now there are some record who need some intervention, means ये record को process करना है. Okay, ये record को process करना है, but as the OWD is private, this user will not able to see. This user will not able to see. Okay, ये क्या करेगा? He can't able to see the record of user. Okay, if I consider a user A. Okay, and user A, and he is a user B. Okay, so user B will not able to see the record, but he wants to go on leave. So what he can do, he can share the record to user B, so user B can work on that records. Okay, he can share the record to user B. He can share the record to user B so that user B can work on that record. Okay, इससे security breach नहीं होगा. इससे क्या होगा, security breach नहीं होगा. मीन्स यूजर ए को जितने रिकॉर्ड्स इंपॉर्टेंट है, जितने रिकॉर्ड्स पे उसको काम करना है, सपोज ही इज गोइंग ऑन लीव फॉर 3 days, and the target is that he want to process a loan application for around 10 records, 10 records. Okay, so he can share that 10 records. So he can share that 10 records, and the user B can work on that 10 records. Okay, user B can work on that 10 records. So Salesforce has provided us a button that is called as a sharing button. Okay, that is called as what? A sharing button. Okay, Salesforce has provided us a button that is called as a sharing button. Okay, sharing button, but sharing button will be available only when your object OWD is private. Okay, object OWD is private. So what this user will do, this user will click on this share button. Okay, this user will click on this share button. As soon as he will click on the share button, what will happen, he will get a one more lookup. Okay, ही विल गेट वन मोर लुकअप. वो लुकअप के अंदर सारी यूजर्स के नाम आएंगे, टू विच यूजर ही वांट टू शेयर. ओके, टू विच यूजर ही वांट टू शेयर. एंड साथ साथ में साथ साथ में देयर विल ऑल्सो बी द एक्सेस लेवल. एंड साथ साथ में यू कैन सिलेक्ट द एक्सेस लेवल. मीन्स दिस रिकॉर्ड्स आर private to user A. So user A can edit, user A can delete. Okay, user A can view. But if user A is sharing this record to user B, if user A is sharing this record to whom? User B, then he can define the access level. then he can define what the access level means. If you want to share the record, like अगर यूजर ए शेयर कर रहा है यूजर बी को, तो यूजर बी किस लेवल तक का उसको एक्सेस कर सकता है, मीन्स ही कैन ओनली व्यू, or he can view and edit, or he can view, edit or delete. Okay, so if user is sharing the record, he can share the record with view only access only, with view and edit access only, and with view, edit or delete access only. Okay, ठीक है, समझ में आया? सो दिस इज व्हाट द कंसेप्ट ऑफ व्हाट शेयरिंग, दिस इज व्हाट द कंसेप्ट ऑफ शेयरिंग, बट ओनली the condition is that your object OWD is set to private. Okay, your object OWD is set to private, then only you can share the record. Okay, then only you can share the record, because Salesforce enable sharing button at that time only. Salesforce enable the sharing button at that time only. Okay. Now I have already told you that by using sharing button, we can make the record to be visible to other user in what our organization. Okay. Now by using the sharing button, okay, by using the sharing button, we can make record visible to other user in organization. Okay, in what, in organization. Okay, fine. Now abhi, to share the record, okay, we can share the record to one user also, and we can share the record to multiple users also. Okay, we can share the record to one user also, and we can share the record to multiple user also. So for sharing the record, we have to use the sharing setting featured offered by Salesforce. So to share the record, to one user or more than one user, we have to use a sharing setting. We have to use what? A sharing setting. Hmm. हाँ, विद इन ऑर्गेनाइजेशन होगा, ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के बाहर कुछ नहीं होगा. ठीक है. ऐसी नीड, मतलब आप, हाँ, we can connect to org, we can connect our to Salesforce org. बट मोस्टली ऐसा होता नहीं है, क्योंकि देखो क्या होता है ना, प्रोडक्शन ऑर्ग एक ही हो सकता है, बिजनेस वाइज डिफरेंट हो सकता है, लेकिन प्रोडक्शन और एक ही होता है. ओके, तो ऐसी नीड मोस्टली आती नहीं है, बट आ गई तो वी कैन कनेक्ट टू सेल्सफोर्स और विथ ईच अदर. ओके. हम्म. हम्म. नहीं 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 नहीं, ब्रांचेस छोड़ दो. सेल्सफोर्स ये कंपनी के ब्रांचेस के ऊपर आपके ऑर्ग डिसाइड नहीं होते. ओके. अभी परसिस्टेंट है, फॉर एग्जांपल परसिस्टेंट इज देयर. अब परसिस्टेंट के अंदर देयर आर अराउंड, कंसिडर देयर आर 10 प्रोजेक्ट्स which is working on Salesforce. ओके. नाउ अब हर एक प्रोजेक्ट का Salesforce का ऑर्ग अलग होगा. एग्री? नाउ अभी सपोज the project in which I work, the project in which I work, there are around different products. Okay, for the client which I work, there are different product. Like it is for home loan also, it is for personal loan also, consumer durable loan also, used car loan also, auto loan also, two wheeler loan also. Okay, and one is business loan also. Around there are 7 to 8 products are there. Okay, so now company can have two production org also, means personal loan, home loan, business loan can work on one production org, and two wheeler loan, consumer durable loan, and used car loan can work on a different production org also. ओके, ऐसा भी हो सकता है. इट इज नॉट मैंडेटरी कि एक प्रोजेक्ट में एक ही प्रोडक्शन ऑर्ग हो सकता है. देयर कैन बी अ मल्टीपल प्रोडक्शन ऑर्ग ऑल्सो. इफ देयर आर मल्टीपल प्रोडक्शन ऑर्ग देन उनका यूजर बेस भी अलग अलग होगा. ओके. हम्म. हम्म. मतलब हाँ, ये प्राइवेट है तो ही कैन शेयर द रिकॉर्ड, नो प्रॉब्लम. यूजर तो ऑर्ग में ही होगा ना. यूजर. हाँ, 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 जनरली बहुत बड़ा बिजनेस है, बहुत बहुत बड़ा डेटा है, देन वी कैन डिफरेंशिएट. ओके, बिकॉज देयर आर सम गवर्नर लिमिट्स ऑफ सेल्स फोर्स. जैसे हम डेवलपमेंट में जाएंगे, मैं आपको गवर्नर लिमिट्स भी बताऊंगा. ओके. अगर बहुत बड़ा डेटाबेस बन जाता है तो उस टाइम पे क्या करते हैं, मेनी कंपनीज वर्क ऑन मल्टीपल ऑर्ग्स. ओके, मेनी कंपनीज वर्क ऑन मल्टीपल ऑर्ग. लाइक इन माय प्रोजेक्ट, अभी तक हमारा एक ही प्रोडक्शन ऑर्ग था, उसमें सारी चीज़ें चलती थी, बट नाउ वो ऑर्ग इतना कॉम्प्लेक्स हो चुका है, उसमें इतना कोड हो चुका है, इतना कोड हो चुका है कि अगर और कुछ दिन उसमें कोड किया तो वो ऑर्ग बैठ जाएगा. ओके. इतने सारे ट्रिगर्स हो गए हैं, इतना कोडिंग हो गया है. ओके, और एक हर एक ऑर्ग का लिमिट होता है. हर ऑर्ग का जो है ना, वो स्टोरेज लिमिट होता है. ओके, सो वो अगर ब्रीच होता है तो हम लोग उसको बढ़ाते हैं, फिर ब्रीच होता है तो फिर हम लोग उसको बढ़ाते हैं, बट एक एक्सटेंट आता है कि हमको दूसरे प्रोडक्शन ऑर्ग पे जाना ही पड़ता है. फाइन. सो मोस्टली एक ऑर्ग होता है और ये सब एक ही ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के अंदर होगा. ओके. नाउ, to share the record, okay, to share the record to one or more user, we have to use what, sharing setting. Okay, so before moving to sharing setting, I will let you know what actually sharing button is. Okay, so what we'll do, we'll select the account and contract. These are the means ये साथ में आते हैं हमेशा यहाँ पे. ओके, सो विल सिलेक्ट द OWDS प्राइवेट. हम लोग क्या करते हैं, OWDS का प्राइवेट कर लेते हैं. लेट्स सी. ओके, नाउ आई हैव सेव. ओके, नाउ कुछ टाइम ऑफ सेकंड लगता है. ओके, वंस मोर शेयरिंग ऑपरेशंस हैज बीन इनिशिएटेड, सी बिलो एडिशनल डिटेल्स. ओके, सर्टेन पीरियड ऑफ टाइम लगता है, वो अपने आप फिर वो हो जाएगा. ओके, नाउ यहाँ पे अभी मेरा अकाउंट एंड कॉर्डर का डिफॉल्ट एक्सटर्नल एक्सेस आई हैव गिवन व्हाट, प्राइवेट. ओके, नाउ व्हाट आई विल डू, आई विल गो टू माय यूजर. I will go to what, my users. What I will do, I will create a record with what, development user. I will create a record with a development user. Let's see what will happen. I will log in into my development user. So this is my development user. I am going and logging in. Okay, now see, logged in as development user. Now what I will do, I will go to account. I will create a new. Okay, continue. Now what I will do, I will create an account. So user, private account. Okay, private account test. Okay, private account test. Fine. बाकी चीजें मुझे कुछ फिलअप नहीं करनी है, so what I will do, I will save. So now see, who is the owner who has created this record? Development user. Okay, as soon as I click on or I've created the record, you can see the sharing button is enabled. Okay, sharing button क्या हो गया, अपने आप enabled हो गया है for account. Okay, for account, because I have set account OWD as private, so that is the reason sharing button यहाँ पे अपने आप enable हो गया है, पहले नहीं था. Okay, now let's see what we will see. We have logged in with what, development user. Okay, so now this CEO means Salesforce admin can able to see the record created by the development user. Okay, now what we'll see, we'll log in with testing user. Let's see what happened. Can we able to see the record created by development user or not? Okay, so what I will do, name is that private account test. Okay, so I will go and log out. I will go to user, and what I will do, I will log in with this testing user. Now click on account, all account. See, I am not able to see my accounts भी देख लेता हूँ. No, I cannot see. Why I cannot see? Why I cannot see? Because I have not created any account record with testing user. Okay, previously I have created account record with what, development user. Okay, but the development user is above the testing user, means the record which is created by development user is not visible to testing user. Agree? अभी वो दिख नहीं रहा है. Yesterday when we see, हम लोगों को वो दिख रहा था. Now what I will do, I will go and log in with manager user. Let's see what happen. I will do the logout, manager user. Let's see, all account. I'm not able to see. Why? Because the record, the account object OWD is set to private. That is the reason the record created by development user can be only visible to CEO and himself. Okay, इसको भी नहीं होगा, इसको भी नहीं होगा, and इसको भी नहीं होगा. Okay, now we'll do the negative testing also. We'll create the record with testing user. Let's see it is visible by development user or not. Okay, now because our role hierarchy is set up like this. Okay, because our role hierarchy is set up like this, so let's go log out from. Okay, let's see the role hierarchy once. Hmm. एडमिन या वो जिसको रिपोर्ट करता है वो, उसका मैनेजर जिसके अंडर में वो है. ओके, अब ये CFO CEO CTO ये किसके अंडर में है, CEO के अंडर में है. सो CFO, if CFO is creating any record, then it can be visible to CEO. If COO is creating the record, it will be visible to CEO. If CTO is creating the record, it will be visible to CEO. But the record created by CTO will not be visible to COO, CFO, because they are on same level, because they are on same level. Means let's see. Okay, so this is not, this is the role hierarchy. Okay, so this structure is like this. Okay, this structure is actually like this. Okay, so these are all under CEO. So if CTO is creating the record, it can be visible by CEO only and not by any of the other user. Okay, now for a negative testing, what I will do, I will create a record with the help of a testing user, because this testing user reports to whom? Development user. Okay, it is a sibling of a development user. Okay, now what I will do, I will go, you can see. Okay, we have already assigned. Let's, हाँ बोलो. हाँ, नहीं उसमें कोई फर्क नहीं है. हम्म. उसका फर्क रोल हायरार्की पे पड़ेगा. नहीं दिखेगा. हाँ, जो फंक्शनैलिटी है वही वर्क करेगी. ओके, नाउ आई विल गो लॉग आउट. अरे यार, यूजर्स. नाउ we'll log in with this testing user. I will go to account and I will create a new account. Okay, continue. That is testing user account. Okay, I'm giving the name as testing user account. I will save. देखो अभी शेयरिंग बटन यहाँ पे आ जाएगा. ओके, पहले नहीं था, अभी शेयरिंग बटन यहाँ पे आ गया है. नाउ owner is testing user. Now what I will do, I will log out and I will log in with development user, as the development user is a superior. Go to account. टेस्टिंग यूजर अकाउंट आया. टेस्टिंग यूजर अकाउंट आया यहाँ पे. मैंने कहाँ पे बनाया था टेस्टिंग यूजर अकाउंट? आई हैव क्रिएटेड द टेस्टिंग यूजर अकाउंट इन माय, with the help of a testing user. With the help of a testing user, let's see, इसको ओपन करते हैं. You can also check, see, created by or last modified, that is testing user. Okay, it is a testing user record owner, testing user, but it is visible under development user. But it is visible under a development user. Fine. So the manager also can able to share the record, and the record owner can also able to share the record with the help of this sharing button. With the help of this sharing button, if you click on this sharing button, you can share the record. Okay, you can share the record. ओके, यू कैन शेयर द रिकॉर्ड. वो कैसे होता है, लेट्स सी. ओके, पहले हम लोग उसके बारे में पढ़ेंगे, देन विल डू. ओके, नाउ, सो नाउ इट इज क्लियर. ओ डब्ल्यू डी प्राइवेट. ओके, रोल हायरार्की अभी काम कर रही है. ओके, नाउ, नाउ to share the record to one or more user. Okay, to share the record to one or more user, we have to use what? A sharing setting featured offered by Salesforce. Okay, a sharing setting featured offered by Salesforce. Okay, now to share the record. Okay, to share the record to one or more user in organization. Okay, in organization, we have to use sharing setting. Okay, sharing setting feature. Okay, we have to use sharing setting features provided by Salesforce. Okay, provided by Salesforce. Now अभी sharing setting. Okay, now we'll go one by one. Okay, first we will see the private. हम लोगों ने अभी private के बारे में पढ़ा, but in private we can share the record. So now we'll see the sharing setting, and after that we'll see public read only, public read write. Okay, now because when you are setting the public object OWDs read only, public read write transfer, then sharing button is not getting enabled. Okay, sharing button will get enabled only when your object OWD is private. Now sharing setting. Okay, in Salesforce. These are the very basic things no one teaches. Okay, मैं आई एम चैलेंजिंग यू, अगर कोई आपको ये सारी चीजें पढ़ा दे तो. ओके, इन दिस डिटेल. फाइन. नाउ अभी सेल्सफोर्स क्या बोलता है, यू कैन शेयर द रिकॉर्ड. ओके, सेल्सफोर्स सेज दैट यू कैन शेयर द record, but Salesforce has provided us three way to share the record. Salesforce has provided us three major ways through which you can share the record. Okay, sharing setting in Salesforce means sharing the record. Okay, now Salesforce given us three types through which we can share the record. Okay, through which we can share the record. So first one is manual sharing. Okay, first one is manual sharing. Second one is automated sharing, and the third one is Apex sharing. Okay, third one is what? Apex sharing. Third one is what? Apex sharing. Now, manual sharing. Manual sharing can be done by sharing button. Okay, manual sharing can be done by sharing button means when my object OWD is private and I am creating any record, then on the detail page of my record you will get a button that is a sharing button, and with the help of sharing button you can share the record. You can share the record. It is a manual process. It is what? A manual process. Now वन बाय वन हम जाते हैं. What is automated sharing? What is automated sharing? So automated sharing is means what? Without clicking any button. Okay, without clicking any button, if you want to automate your record sharing, if you want to share the record automatically, then you can share the record. Okay, without clicking on any button, without any human intervention. Okay, so it happens with the help of sharing rules. Okay, you can create some sharing rules. You can create some sharing rules. So with the help of this sharing rule you can share the record automatically without any human intervention. Okay, now the third one is Apex sharing. Okay, and this we will see at the time of development. Okay, Apex sharing we will see at the time of development because we can do Apex sharing by using Apex programming. Okay, programming with the help of code. When we want to share the record with the help of code, when we want to share the record, then we will create the Apex sharing. Then we will create what? Apex sharing. Okay, so in admin there are two parts and in development there is one part, that is Apex sharing. Fine, ये तीनों का मतलब क्लियर हुआ. Okay, it is clear now. Manual sharing by sharing button, automated sharing by sharing rule without clicking any button, and Apex sharing by using Apex programming language. We will see at the time of development. The core concept of sharing setting is to share the record from one user to another user. Okay, I'm not changing the owner, I'm just sharing the record. Okay, I'm just sharing the record. Fine. Now, manual sharing. Okay, manual sharing. With manual sharing, I've already told you, by clicking on this sharing button, we can share the record. Okay, we can share the record. Now, manual sharing. Okay, manual sharing can be done by using what? A sharing button. By using a sharing button. Fine. Now, और ये कहाँ होता है? Visible on each record detail page. A record detail page means what? This page. Okay, whenever you are clicking on any account, whenever you are opening, then it is called as your detail page. Then it is called as your detail page. Okay, if you click on this edit, then it is a your edit page. Then it is your edit page. Okay, now cancel. By using a sharing button. Okay, by using the sharing button, ध्यान से सुनना. By using a sharing button, we can make record visible. Okay, or we can share the record. Okay, one of the same thing. Okay, we can make the record to be visible, or we can share the record to one or more than one user. Okay, with the help of this sharing button, I can share the record to a single user also, and to a multiple user also. Okay, I can share the record to a single user also and multiple user also. Okay, now this is my first point. This is what my second point. And now my third point. We can share the record. Okay, we can share the record based on we can share the record based on user roles and public group. Okay, we can share the record. Okay, we can share the record based on user. किसी यूजर को करना है तो with directly you can share with the user, or if you want to share with role. Okay, or a public group, or a public group. We'll see what is actually public group. Okay, we can share the record based on user. Agar if you know the name of the user, you can share the record to that user. If you want to share the record to a certain role, okay, to a certain role, then you can share to that also. And if you want to share the record to a public group means, and group means what? Single is one, group is multiple. Means in public group there can be multiple user. In public group there can be a multiple user. Okay, देखते हैं आगे, डोंट वरी. बट इतना याद रखो, मैनुअल शेयरिंग मीन्स शेयरिंग द रिकॉर्ड by clicking the button, by clicking the button. Okay, and we can share the record to one user or multiple user, and it is based on user role or public group. Now, first, sharing the record to a single user. Okay, sharing the record to a सिंगल यूजर. ओके, पहले हम क्या देखेंगे, हाउ टू शेयर अ रिकॉर्ड टू अ सिंगल यूजर. ओके, हाउ टू शेयर द रिकॉर्ड टू अ सिंगल यूजर, then we'll see how to share the record to multiple, okay, multiple users like a public group. Fine. Now, इसके अंदर आई विल राइट अ यूज केस. ओके, मैं एक यूज केस लिखूंगा, एंड ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ दिस यूज केस वी विल शेयर द रिकॉर्ड. ओके, लेकिन इसमें एक चीज लिखना इंपॉर्टेंट है. ओके, दैट इज बाय यूजिंग this option. Okay, by using this option means which option? Sharing the record to a single user, we can share the record. Okay, we can, what we can do, we can share the record visibility to one user. Okay, one user in organization. Okay, one user in organization with the required access. In starting also I have told you that. Okay, with required access means, required access means to whom you are sharing the record, what type of access you are providing. That you want the user to whom you are sharing can only view or edit. Okay, or view or edit or delete. Okay, now इतना समझा, यहाँ तक ठीक है, क्लियर है सारी चीजें. ओके, क्लियर है. We are still on private only. Okay, we are still on private. Okay, now I am writing a use case. Okay, एक use case लिखते हैं so you can able to understand easily. Use case means what? One scenario. Okay, one scenario. Now, अभी मुझे क्या करना है, आई वॉन्ट टू लॉग इन विद डेवलपमेंट यूजर. मुझे डेवलपमेंट यूजर से लॉग इन करना है, एंड आई वॉन्ट टू क्रिएट अ रिकॉर्ड. what I want to do, I want to create a record and make that account record to be visible to testing user, and I want that account record to be visible to testing user with read only access. Means, see, this is my development user. Okay, now I want to create a account record. मुझे एक account record बनाना है. So see, private account test and development user account. Okay, ये दो user, these two records is created by whom? A development user. Okay, these two records is created by whom? A development user. Okay, you can see, if you can see the account owner, development user, account owner, development user. So as it is created by a development user, it will not be visible to testing user. Okay, it will not be visible to testing user, but I want to share the record created by development user to testing user with read only access. With read only access means वो टेस्टिंग यूजर को रिकॉर्ड तो दिखेगा, बट ही कैन नॉट डू एनीथिंग, ही कैन जस्ट सी द रिकॉर्ड. He can't even delete, he can't even edit, he can only view the record. Okay, so this is my use case. So let's create the use case. Login as development user. Okay, log in as development user and create the account record. Okay, and create the account record. Okay, and create the account record. ये सारी चीजें इसलिए लिखना पड़ता है क्योंकि you can read. Okay, otherwise I can directly show you. Okay, but if I will write, आपके पास notes भी होगा और एक स्टडी मटेरियल भी होगा. सो वंस यू विल गो थ्रू इट, सारी चीजें अपने आप समझ में आ जाएगी आपको, और में जाके देखने की, चेक करने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी. ओके, नाउ सो लॉग इन एज डेवलपमेंट यूजर एंड क्रिएट अ अकाउंट रिकॉर्ड. ओके, नाउ एंड मेक दैट account record visible to visible to testing user. Okay, make that record visible to testing user. In short, share the record to testing user. Okay, visible to testing user, or you can say share the record. Okay, or you can say share the record. I have used word visible, you can say that you can share the record. Okay, now with read only access. With what? With read only access. Okay, with read only access means I will need to log in with development user. I've already logged in. I need to create an account record. I've already created the account record. Now my task is I want to make that account record visible to whom? To a testing user with a read only access. With what? With a read only access. So अभी कैसे करेंगे? Okay, now click on required object. Okay, click on what? Required object. Now our required object is what? Example account. Okay, you can say it is an account. हम लोग account पे click करेंगे. Fine. Now open the account record. Okay, I will open the account record to be make visible. Okay, open that account record जो हमको share करना है. Okay, open the account record which need to be share. Okay, which need to be share. Second point, go to detail page of account record. Okay, go to detail page of that account record. Okay, go to detail page of that account record, click on this account tab. Okay, open the record. Suppose I want to open this record, open this record. Okay, now I came to the detail page. Fine. The third point, click on sharing button. Okay, click on sharing button. Click on what? Click on sharing button. Click on sharing button. Now the fourth point is click on add button. Okay, click on add button to add the user to whom you need to share. To whom you need to share. To whom you need to share. Okay, now let's go to account. Okay, open this development user account. I want to share this record to my testing user. Click on this sharing button. Okay, as soon as you will click on this sharing button, what I've told you, click on add button to add the user to whom you need to share. Okay, click on this add. Okay, so now you will see the page. Okay, specify the sharing for this record. You can share this record and its related data with individual user, personal or a public group. the user in particular role, the user in particular role plus all of the user in role below the role. Okay, now individual sharing can only be used to grant wider access to data, not to restrict the access. Okay, now let's see क्या बोल रहा है, भूल जाओ. Now select the user. Okay, now select the user. Okay, now fifth point is what we need to do. We need to select the user. Select the user. Okay, select the user. कौन सा user select करना है? We need to select testing user. We need to select testing user from the pick list. Okay, let's see हमारे पास pick list है क्या. Okay, now let's go. अभी यहाँ पे कहीं आपको टेस्टिंग यूजर नहीं दिख रहा है, सो सर्च पब्लिक ग्रुप. देखो यहाँ पे क्या करना है, क्लिक करना है और यूजर पे क्लिक करना है. ओके, पब्लिक ग्रुप, ये एक ऑल इंटरनल पब्लिक ग्रुप हमारे पास प्रेजेंट है. विल सी व्हाट एक्चुअली पब्लिक ग्रुप इज. रोल्स, इतने टाइप के रोल्स है. ओके, इतने टाइप के रोल्स है. ओके, कुछ हम लोगों ने बनाए हुए, कुछ ऑलरेडी प्रेजेंट है. ओके, नाउ रोल्स एंड सबऑर्डिनेट्स. ओके, सबऑर्डिनेट सीईओ, सीएफओ, सीईओ, सीटीओ. ओके, वीपी, ये कुछ रोल्स हैं जो हम लोगों ने बनाए हैं, कुछ ऑलरेडी प्रेजेंट है, बट वी नीड टू शेयर टू द यूजर. हमको किसको शेयर करना है? आई वांट टू शेयर टू यूजर. आई विल क्लिक ऑन दिस यूजर. सो आई विल सी all the user those who are present in my organization. Okay, and to whom I need to share to the testing user. Click on this add. So now my testing user is selected. Available users are this, and share with the testing user. Okay, select the access level from the pick list. Now what? Select the access level from the pick list. So this is the account access level. Okay, so there are read only and read write. Read only and read write. Read only means the testing user will able to only see the record. Read write means that testing user will able to read the record also and can perform the updation also. Okay, so I will select the read only. This is the opportunity access because account opportunity is the child of account and case is also a child of accounts. That's why उसके related records का भी access level we can select. Okay, we can select. Fine. Now I want account access only. I don't want to give opportunity and case access. I just want to give the access of your account. Okay, I want just give the access to account. So I have click on read only. What I will do, I will click on this save button. ओके, मैंने सेव बटन पे क्लिक कर दिया है. हम लोग अभी उसको चेक करते हैं. नाउ सिक्स्थ वन, सिलेक्ट द access level. Okay, select the access level from pick list. Okay, select the access level from pick list. 7 point is save. Okay, I have saved the record. Okay, मैंने रिकॉर्ड को सेव कर दिया. नाउ अभी my observation. Now my observation means I will, let's see, I will test the record. Okay, what I will do, I will test the my functionality. Okay, I will test my functionality. Now let's go and log out from my development user. हम लोगों ने कौन सा रिकॉर्ड शेयर किया है? Which record I have shared? I have shared this development user account record. Okay, I have shared this development user account record. Okay, now I will click on this share once again. Let's see क्या क्या है. टेस्टिंग यूजर को यहाँ पे शेयर हुआ हुआ है रिकॉर्ड. ओके, मैनुअल शेयरिंग, अकाउंट एक्सेस, रीड ओनली. ओके, नाउ आई विल log out from here and I will go and log in with this testing user. Now let's go and see, can we see the record? Click on all account. Yes, we can see the record, that is development user account. Let's open this record also and this record also, else I will. Okay, now see, This is development user account, and I am testing user. Okay. Okay, I will click on this testing user now. But what I have said, I have given only the read only access. I have given only the read only access. Okay, let's see क्या होता है. I will click on this. See, you do not have level of access necessary to perform the operation you requested. Please contact the owner of the record or your administrator. मीन्स मैंने रिकॉर्ड तो शेयर किया है. ओके, आई हैव शेयर द रिकॉर्ड. डेवलपमेंट यूजर हैज शेयर्ड द रिकॉर्ड to testing user, but the access level is read only, means he can only read. He can only read. Okay, he can only read. You don't have the level of. Okay, so I cannot edit, I cannot delete, I can only view the record. So this is how we share the record manually. This is how we share the record manually to user, and we can decide the access level also. But it is all possible when your object OWD is private. Then only you can share the record. Then only you will get the sharing button. Then only you will get the sharing button. And when you will get the sharing button, at that time only you can share the record manually, else you cannot share the record manually. Okay, अभी तक हम लोगों ने सिंगल यूजर को रिकॉर्ड शेयर करते हुए देखा है. ओके, नाउ इन टुमारो सेशन वी विल सी हाउ टू शेयर द रिकॉर्ड विथ पब्लिक ग्रुप. ओके, विथ पब्लिक ग्रुप मीन्स सपोज if I want to share a single record to multiple people at once, how I can share. अगर मेरे पास 10 लोग हैं, आई वॉन्ट टू शेयर द रिकॉर्ड टू 10 people. सो इफ आई विल गो एंड शेयर वन बाय वन, so it is not a good practice. It is not a group practice. I need some solution that I can share at once only. I can share at once only. Okay, so tomorrow we'll see how to share the record. Okay, means. हाँ बोलो. हाँ, obviously delete होगा. We'll try. Okay, let's open our development user in different browser. Okay, but this testing user will not able to delete. Okay, this testing user will not able to delete. It can be deleted by the record owner only. It can be deleted by the record owner only. So CloudBridge is present. Okay, now हमेशा के लिए शेयर रहेगा, जब तक आपको शेयर है तब तक. ओके, नहीं ऐसा कुछ नहीं, अनशेयरिंग वाला कंसेप्ट नहीं है. अनशेयरिंग वाला कंसेप्ट नहीं है, but because you have given the read access. Okay, now what I will do, I will log in with user. Okay, डेवलपमेंट यूजर लॉग इन कर लेते हैं. लेट्स गो टू अकाउंट. लेट्स क्लिक ऑन दिस डेवलपमेंट यूजर. लेट्स सी क्या बोलता है. आई वांट टू डिलीट. आर यू श्योर? ओके, आई हैव डिलीटेड. लेट्स गो टू दिस रिफ्रेश. टेस्टिंग यूजर में हूँ, रिकॉर्ड डिलीटेड. ओके, बिकॉज द ओनर was your Who was the owner? Owner was your development user. Okay, we have just shared the record. So if development user is deleting the record, then that record will also get deleted. Okay, because the record is getting deleted from the organization, from the org, the record is getting deleted. Okay, so that is the reason यहाँ से भी वो delete हो गया है. Okay, fine. समझा? Okay. Now, so observation तो हम लोगों ने already देख चुके हैं. Okay, log into our testing user, and the newly created record should be visible to the testing user. Okay, log into testing user, and the with share by record with share by development user should be visible with read only access. Okay, with read only access. So this is how my manual sharing can be done, but for a single user. Now tomorrow we'll see how to do what, how to do sharing to one or more than one